Morning, everybody. Spirit wants us to trust the divine. Many of us are still sitting with deception, frustrations, and jealousy and broken hearts. It's causing us so much sorrow and it's also making us sick. It's time for us to break the chains of that kind of feeling with us so that the divine can help us get out of situations. That's the devil holding on to you. You need to break those chains. Detach from people and situations that make you feel that way. It's the end of those times in our lives. We must start anew. We must reclaim our power of love and peace and forgiveness. Stand up for yourself and swim away from these situations. And the archangels are giving us the card of peace. And they say, release the past. There is more enriching future coming. Let go and let God. You must come home to yourself and find your peace and love with forgiveness, with your part in what you've done, or forgive others for what they've done to you. Trust in the magic of the universe and stay aligned with the higher power. There's happiness on the cards for you, and you've tried so many things and you're exhausted, but you must be a little bit patient. Learn from the past and stay focused on your happiness. Today they want you to exercise a little bit. Get out into the sun. Go for a run or walk or even a swim. And if you can't do that, just move your body a little bit. And this will give you more energy. They say do this for yourself today. Communicate with your angels. You have the ability to connect with beings of love who surround you. Communicate with your angels and deliver their healing messages to others. Your creative energies are in full bloom. Express yourself, your love, your beauty, your wonderfulness that's within you. And your loved ones say, don't let others coerce you into decisions. You know in your heart what the right choices are for you. I love you very much. I hope you have a good day. God bless you.